Hey guys, Stan Dale, President Florida SunCoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Hey, here we are, just post-holiday, September, closing out summer it looks like, although I know the temperatures don't quite feel like it. Coming up this Friday night, tonight, as you're seeing this, tonight, at Channelside. It's Friday Night Social up on the parking deck. Kevin Tipton's hosting Friday Night Social, and that thing is really taking off. If you haven't been there, I haven't been there yet. It's on my to-do list, my bucket list. One of the things I keep looking at going, gotta get there. It looks really, really cool, and the photographs we're seeing coming out of that just make some awesome, awesome screensavers. The night pictures, the cityscape, the sunset, just amazing. Thanks to Kevin. On Saturday, we're up in Jacksonville, Caffeine and Octane at, I think that's the Avenues Mall, and that's a huge turnout. MacKay will be there. I think have the tent and everything going on. Go by and see him. That's a huge Cars and Coffee. I think about 300. At least it's what the numbers look like to me. And then on Sunday, we're gonna double up on Sunday. Meribeth is hosting at the Whole Foods in Gainesville Cars and Coffee, and that one draws about 200 or 300 folks there. At the same time, we're down here in Naples at Germain BMW in Naples, the lower Naples portion of Germain, their southern store, I guess is a way to say it. We have a Cars and Coffee, and then the last two outings we've had about 300 folks there. So just a couple of big events that we're involved with in these Cars and Coffee, and just really, just putting it out there, and folks are really just showing up. So a heavy weekend, Friday night, Saturday, and 2 on Sunday. Just a jam-packed weekend for everybody. Come on out and have a great time. Hey, just taking a look at my one of my 335s here. Just finished doing a ceramic coat on this. I'll show you the products that we used to do this, but we did this at home. No offense to any of our vendors that are out there doing this kind of stuff, but we've done a couple of members' cars just for the fun of it to see what it turned out, and I'm really, really pleased. This is a 2007 335. She's only got about 70,000 miles on her, and man, she just really shined up, really tickled to see what it looks like. Really proud of it, so hope we can keep the rain away for a little while. Just like to see her shine this weekend. So hey, look, take a look at our calendar. Come on out, lots of things going on, lots of events. I just got the first notice for the historic sports car. Somebody asked me about that last weekend up at BMW Sarasota Cars and Coffee. And we're pretty close to registering for the November historics at, I think the November is going to be in Daytona, and then we're going to Sebring in the 1st of December. So watch for those enrollments as well. A lot of things on the calendar, so take a peek, come on out and have some fun. Hey man, get off the sofa, stop wasting time, come on out and play with us. Until then, happy motor y'all. See you later soon, bye.